Greetings, everybody. We know say this is what we do on a Tuesday. This is the Up and Eye Show. We're here every Tuesday between 9 and 11. We're sponsored by the Granaries over there in 6 Overton's Yard, Croydon. And every week we bring to you a guest, a special guest. Danny Bless is he might not guest now, no, he's my furniture. Can't call him furniture, no.
Exactly.
You know.
What
happened to you, sir? You alright?
I need a bottle of water, innit? Don't drink alcohol.
We not understand this one today.
So that I use on it for that.
Danny, the timing kinda off, is it? Me not like how you look though. Want you?
I'm just tired. I'm okay. I'm just tired.
You're tired.
Yeah.
When I like this, Danny, you have to go home. When I like the tired, Danny.
With the woman and the music, then.
Yeah, remember say there for the people them know, my G. You understand? Happy New Year to you.
Yeah, you too.
Happy 2023 and all the very best for this year. You know, we're looking forward to many projects from the Entrance Boss. We've been waiting on certain projects for a while, and hopefully we can have a chat about a few of them later on in the show. We don't really have much time. But yeah, you won't get straight to the point.
I'm confused now, Danny, because I don't know how to address you no more, because I used to address you as Danny, Entrance Boss, the host. Are you an artist now, or are you still a host? What go on?
You shouldn't ask me that question.
Jesus Christ.
Because I've been, I guess, up on live from things the third
Yeah,
time
I know. No, I'm saying that you
was there when I was doing the music, so
No,
I did say that I'm an
exactly.
artist. Yeah.
That's why I'm saying now. Are you still a host? Are you taking the artist side like 100%? Because me see you release songs and people actually are singing song them. So I don't know if you decide to say, all right, I just music now. I just lower the hosting thing.
Well, what happened, you know, music, acting is what I really like still, innit? So to be honest with you, the hosting and the music, it's just a bonus. You understand me? And it's a bonus, I have to just go and do it. So I will just keep on doing what I do, the music, the hosting. But I'm cutting off the vlogging now. I don't want to go. Yeah, I want to stop now because I'm having a platform now where I'm working with a lot of people now who like worried about my outbursts. It might come back to haunt me, you know.
Management.
You understand me? So I have to be more professional now.
Yeah, but you being professional and doing vlog, it doesn't mean that you have to stop it. What about changing the
topics or the content?
Topics or the content or the what's the word I'm looking for? The product that you put out there. What about revamping instead of cancelling?
Yeah, well, I like that word, innit? Yeah, revamp then.
Yeah, so is it that you're going to be revamping your vlogging?
Yeah, I'm gonna change up my
career.
Loads of stuff I'm doing.
So that's what you're working on for 2023. Anything that you can share now? Like, what are some things you're going to be doing?
Well, as I said, I'm still getting a lot of advice. So you know,
so you're still in the planning stage. Then? All right, then, cool.
It's uploading.
Okay.
Processing.
Okay.
Yeah.
So the acting that you're doing, I must commend you on that, because out of everybody who misses start the acting, take it up in the first time, because at one point, like say maybe about 10, 15 people in the
Space.
surrounding space started doing the acting, and you're the only one to actually take it professional and continue with it. Talk us through what's happening now compared to what you were doing before in the acting scene.
Well, it come to good. As well, you say you see me a third time and you still ask questions. So it's the question I ask. It's just good to know that as well you say, no people don't say that what you say now. You just do a little quick maths and you say, I'm alone. I say, yeah, I'm alone. I do it in a sense of good, loving it, enjoying it, looking for it, innit? How my son look for it too, you know. Just like our artists go look for sure.
Yeah.
If you see a big movie and you know you're talented and you know somebody, you have to make
push
a
your
rise. So you have to do that too. So it come with everything. So right now the acting now, I'm getting a big buzz with the people them who I work with more.
Okay.
Like I don't know these people, so the first most of these people see me on set and see me from an actor into a character, and they all loved it, innit? You know, they think I'm good, they think I'm only can get better, and they're just trying to put it this way, then, you have to start from somewhere, innit? So acting is like something, it's not like music. You can't just go into the studio and do something. You have to have passion for it, you have to have rehearse, you have to try to do the right thing. Because one of the worst thing in acting, if you ever get a script, as an actor who have experience before, and then put like a dragon at the film, and when dragon and set dragon I get involved more than you. Because what dragon do, him study, innit? Because them something you get script, you have to study it, get talk to it, and then more body language, face, so you have to make it look real.
Practice.
So you understand me? So it's amazing to see a lot of work, but at the end of it, you can do a lot of movies and it don't comes out. So acting is crazy as well. Even the movies, Because even the movie I'm doing now, I done this movie like 4.5 years ago.
So how is it when you get the scripts? Do you actually the whole man say, all right, you get a script for say you play the bad boy where I go run the gang or something? Do you actually get a script where you sit down at home and read and study? And
Yeah. What has happened, we have people who write films, innit? Yeah? Alright. If you have a mess like birds now, innit? You could want to write a film. That's Danny go and say I'm mad, innit? What are we mad, innit? Bird matter, but leave it that, innit? We understand? So what no, just see real, innit? You hear me? So the good thing about it, yeah, I want to be honest with you, yeah. You have to have passion for it. You can't cheat. You can't cheat music. You can't cheat acting. Because once you get a script, I'm going home to study it. I'm going home to talk to the mirror. You understand me forward, fam? Embrace it, put the love in it and have a laugh with it. That means, listen up, what about me get a script then, as I was saying? And I don't study it. I'm busy. Dragon study film. And set them say, hey, you all over the place. And you're an actor who have done loads of films. So I go show up, say, this is a man at the first time at the movie. And so you have to take embarrassment too.
Well,
do you understand me forward, fam? You have to do it.
What me can say for Danny here, like, me and him father know a movie before, and when we did it, it's true.
Breads, which show is this, Breads?
I read to the dancehall, the first one.
Okay.
But no,
Why not for
no,
getting at
this
this,
is
man?
not my youth, this is the big man.
No, you
No,
cannot
big man.
blow the youth up,
You
man.
say, nobody is safe.
Yeah.
Anyway, when me ask me, I talk about your craft. Out of everything we done do, I'm slashing my mouth. You see him acting part for real, no word of a lie. I just say no cap. Before you say action, Danny. Hey, action is like Danny is the character.
Change.
You see me? Because I always see the person and say doing things. So which in that acting thing actually very good. Me not gonna lie. You see me? He's very good at what he does still. You see me? So even with the second one with Forward Out, even when it was 5 episodes, every time film scene forward is like, me nobody I say, yo, and I'm a record Danny part because Danny though. So the acting part time great. We have to give him due. You see me?
Mike work. Yeah, all right. Yeah, cut the formalities and the fucker,
No, wait, 1 second. Yeah. You're the host, yeah? I just want to say before I move on from the acting, remember the movie Badness, yeah? I'm a promoter as well. The platform is here. So before you start fire your gun, make sure so you have bombs with the guns them, You hear me? Make sure so you have science too.
So talk to us about the film that you're promoting. He wasn't finished promoting.
Because I know when him start him out the paragraph and sentence.
Let's promote that now.
Yes, I just want to say people, it's good to know that I'm in a film now named Badness, which Badness, it's a very good storyline. It haven't just filmed in UK alone, it films in other countries as well, innit? You understand me? And money spent, and we have some good actors in it as well. You hear me? Like, you have Miss Universe 2000, I think I 2000, I remember, me I smoke with earlier on, innit? But Miss World, you hear me? You hear me?
Right, but there's some
Miss World in it,
some
and we have Arbor White from the movie with gigs though. What that movie named The Intense?
Yeah.
You know that The Intense film?
So it's quite
quite a
lots of
number of
actors
stars,
in that film.
Right.
And trust me, it's one of the best movie set I've been on. And that movie even put me in an argument. This movie started up everything in my life where the madness started, because I was just embrace the platform. You get stunned people to show you, like when I act, I'm going to go up on a movie set, yeah? You have people that show me how to fight, for break my fall. It was so amazing, isn't it? Yeah, people,
Just tell us when is this movie have a date for release yet?
No, right now it's still everything are uploaded.
well,
All right, it's
So
in the
it's
place.
the
I
badness.
don't want you to lose that train of thought there. Quick, Jack, before you say anything. What problem did you say the movie caused in your life? Did you say cause problem?
That movie has caused a lot of problem in life, you know.
Like
'Cause the
what?
movie has built a lot of enemies, and
I think Dragon want to
the,
move on.
the enemies where the movie I bring, I hope God bless it and it works.
So how we bring enemies? People should be
Hold
happy.
on, guys.
What-
Before everybody been saying what they're saying all night. Let me just cut the formality because this is Danny Bless. This is his third time on the show, so let's not make this be all formal like we were in Jacket and Tie this evening. So Danny Bless, well renowned for like your acting, your vlogging skill, your musical side. So yeah. Also knows that fuckery man go and help a fuckery on the live and be a thing. So recently we see a little flare up on the live with you and Fab Five. It's not the Fab
The
Five.
Gang of Five.
It's the Gang of Five. So why go on with that now?
But this is the thing about up and live, you know. You see,
just
if we're
want
not ready
the
to
people
get
them
into
know.
conversation,
Yeah.
if you just tell me say you're not ready, you know, because you can't swear on them something, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. If you are Jamaican, because I think you do a lot of research, because you talk sometimes, and you know, you just talk, you might read up, but some of the time, you can't explain yourself like me sometimes. I'll be honest with you. Yeah, I'm a fan. Most of the things you talk, I do catch on to it. I mean, I say, you know, say, I chew my talk, but you need to stand and explain, just like me too. So I know about that, yeah?
Explain the Gang of Five.
Yeah. So that means I can't be like you too. So
Yeah,
if when I explain, you can help me too,
Yeah,
because
of
we have the
course.
same
Yes.
issues, innit?
All right.
Gang of Five, you know, I don't know how this Gang of Five comes about, you know, because it wasn't something I planned, yeah? And every time I get into this conversation, I just get mad as a bird sake. I just become mad. If you hear my voice, I change now, innit? You hear me? Just give me mad memories, innit? Yeah?
Who's the Gang of Five or Fab Five? What is this?
Not Fab Five, Gang of Five.
I mean, you call him Fab Five because I want to say Gang
All
of
right.
Five.
I'm not gonna get into the Gang of Five.
No,
I
but people
identify
want to-
them, but I
people
would
want
get into it.
The story, we
if
know
you could
what's-
just explain so people can
Alright.
follow the conversation.
All right. I don't really want to give nobody a name and a hype, you know, because I don't like people, you know. But hear me, I say, yeah? You see, this Gang of Five, them say, who the cap fit? Weird. You understand me? And when I said Gang of Five, as what you said, that's a topic. I never get into the individuals. That's why you're asking, who's this Gang of Five? And I state this sentence or whatever, Gang of Five, and a lot of people get in them feelings, and I never state the identity. Because everyone still
I
asks.
don't know who you are talking.
Yeah, no, I'm still saying it.
Now, but idea.
But you
That's
have
actually-
some. I don't want to say the wrong thing, innit? You get me? Yeah. You have some people who just take it up on them head and feel like
Then them say free to talk.
I throw the stone after them. You understand me? And listen, so Gang of Five, if you realize, I never call no name.
Yeah.
I just state the topic. So what happened now? This not well, get well, bless him, innit? He takes it upon his head, innit? You understand me?
Who is
And
he?
he put it out there and like he say, I have everything in my phone, you know. I'll show you, you know, I see it. Can't no, I see the
We're
logic.
speaking. Remember, some people are watching upon the
Yeah.
live, so they want to follow the
All right.
conversation.
So what is it? I went to we go, yeah. But I don't want to switch it on and get mad now because I just piss me off and ask about this
No,
people. I mean,
alright,
like
let's-
it, you know,
let's
because I don't
wait.
want to.
Danny.
I don't want to get into that way.
Danny.
You understand me?
Hold on, Danny.
Cause it just, I don't really want to talk
Danny.
about.
Danny.
I don't really want to elaborate about certain people
Danny.
or
No, we're not
whatever.
talking
kind
about-
of important.
Speak first.
Danny.
Speak first.
Here we are, say, it's an interview, right? You're upon the media and we are talking about topic on the media. When I say if you get mad, as I tell you already, explain. This is a chance to explain yourself clearly.
Yeah, but some of the time I explain it just.
We
just get
no,
back feelings.
stress me,
I
blood.
understand, say, it our personal effect with the way I say, but we ask to explain it.
All right.
The best way you can.
Take your time.
This last time I talk about it, you know.
All right.
You hear me? I mean, when anybody interview me, I'm gonna ask me about it. So anybody watch it, yeah? You have some people, boy, yeah, in the business, boy. Yeah. It's been going on for years. You have gatekeepers in the business. Just like in every business, you have a gatekeeper. Not in just music. In acting as well, you have gatekeepers. You understand me? In football, you have gatekeepers. So these people exist. But that's why you say, who are they? Right? These people is powerful. Do you understand me? And since I raised up about this gatekeeper gang of 5 recently, me and Popcorn I talk about it. So if you tell me them things that Danny, since you talk about gatekeeper, me have to get trending online, you know. So why they say that to me first before they ask me then? If you don't want me to talk more then. No, I'm just saying, since me don't watch media, innit?
Yeah.
You hear Popcorn talk about gatekeeper, me a Flex talk about gatekeeper. I've get so much artists that talk about gatekeepers. So it's trending now, innit? So
is trending.
who opened that gate about gatekeeper in the UK? But me, innit?
Danny,
Yes,
So do not tell me that before no question.
No.
I said, Danny, I've seen where you talk about gatekeepers, and since you talk about it, I realize, say it to me, I feel more better when you say it like that.
Yeah, but
You understand me, I forward, fam? But we are continue now. But more you give me that little respect there, because it come to pass, people are say it now, innit? I would even uno say it. You understand me? So if you talk to, say come like a prophet. no, allow me to tell.
No, hold on.
So if you give me
I want to me always give respect. and
Don't
say, yo,
go on that blood,
certain
innit?
topic,
Hold on,
you
Danny.
bring it up, and because
Yeah,
it's
you
a
mean?
question you see in dancehall.
Don't go on it,
yeah.
blood. So I never create this word gatekeeper.
Yes, and we
I
know
never have a
that.
dictionary, but
Yes.
it exists, and these people is very powerful.
Right.
You understand me? And these people, if you touch one of these people, your career gone down. These people who know, let me tell you something. Yeah?
So is your career gone down from you come out and say what you say?
Since it affect me a lot, that's why I don't want to talk about it.
Okay then. So we
Yeah,
move
affect
You
on.
understand me?
It's-
Of course,
you're
since I
affect-
talk about
yeah,
it,
yeah.
like enough of the DJ them not chat to me. Cause the daddy of the business, like this is the God of all business. Fuck you. You understand God what?
Okay.
You understand
So
me? I
we're
come
gonna-
from blood. Although you're a human being, we're a professional. We can
Definitely.
have a voice, you have a voice. You
Right.
understand me? So nobody big on nobody on your song. You know God?
Right.
You understand me? And me tends to see it all the time, even unuto.
Yeah.
Yeah? And if you talk the truth, sometimes I stop going things, blood. Because you
Yeah.
ask me a question, yeah? You say, when you ask me, I say, Danny, where I say a true? Not true, but the question never there, innit?
Yeah.
Because me here to talk about.
Right.
If you don't ask me like that, you give me more energy to support the movement and chat. But you ask me what talk about, because you're watching media and so on. I don't mean
But
alone
hold
talk
on,
about
hold on, Danny. Can I
gatekeeper.
just clarify?
I mean alone talk about gatekeeper?
No, you're not the
Okay, then.
I'm going to answer your question. I'm really, really sorry that you're uncomfortable at this present moment about the topic and you're very emotional. So I just want to say that we have always given you your credit. That is one thing you can say about our show. Dragon gave you your credit before he even asked the question. Not because it was asked the way it was, you did get your flowers before he mentioned the question. So I want you to calm down. I don't want you to be upset. No, hold on. Just hear us out. I don't want you to be upset. We didn't. Obviously, we're here to have a conversation, right? So we're going to change the topic to a lighter note.
Yeah.
Because as we say, you're a creative being. You are very talented in what you do. 2023. Yeah, because we want to make sure that
I don't want to go easy neither, Anna, because
No,
sometimes
not the topic. No,
because sometimes
that's why-
I have a vent,
wait,
innit?
wait,
You hear me?
wait,
You
but
understand me?
you're
Yeah.
you're visibly upset.
Me
Let
just
it be
me just
one bar,
afraid,
let
me
it
just
be
afraid,
one-
yeah, me
No,
afraid,
no.
yeah?
Napkin.
Me just afraid, me respect what you say, yeah?
Yeah.
What she's saying, yeah?
Yeah.
All right. Some my time.
Hold on.
you
Make
give
him
me-
speak.
No,
Make Danny speak, please. Make him speak.
Danny, talk.
Go on, Daddy. You're saying something in regards to how you feel. Go on.
No, she awareness. She think this is all awareness. This, if I did some BBC, me there and them bring me, you want tissue? Come outside and take a 5. Yeah, calm down. She's
why
doing the
me tell
right
you
thing.
we have tissue.
You understand?
All right.
You understand me? Yeah.
Danny start here.
No, you understand what
Yeah, but it stressed me still, you know.
and that is what
You
we're
know,
saying.
you know why it
stress
stressed me, yeah?
Yeah.
Since that outburst comes out, I'm being honest with you. The booking's gone down. I see up on my mother life. Yeah? I promoters who used to book me tell me, say them now, work with me because the ton is on the and this ton, this side is not want me on the platform.
Right.
They done it to Squidly as well. Boy, when I see them do it, boy, and I talk these things, boy. When I see that too. Them do it to Squidly, boy. You hear me? Enough other youth, them do it too. Cause I know what you do or who you know.
Yeah.
Cause people, let me tell you something, if you learn this, yeah? You see most of these people, them know people where you don't know.
Yeah.
You hear me? I mean, I tell you this, yeah? Even it's a phone, yeah, you know the upper life. You have a lot of competition out there. I wouldn't say competition, like whatever. But you have a lot of whatever. Hello? If them say, you can't go through, boy. You understand me? I didn't come from, just going to come from a bigger platform doing the same thing what you do.
Yeah.
You get me forward from now. You get me forward, fam? Yeah. And I'm telling you this as up and live, as individual person, yeah? In UK, there's a lot of corruption in the business, blood. Yeah? And there is no platform for us as promoters or ravers to have a say about how we feel. If you talk anything about any DJ, and 99% of DJs, them up in them feelings.
True.
You hear me? And how I classify dance and I look at it, yeah? I've been doing dance for over 2.5 decades, boy, yeah? And let me tell you something, I know enough of them DJ yeah, before them have career.
Yeah.
Are you listening to me?
Yeah.
Let me say, I know them before enough of them have career. If you have 100 DJ on top gear in England, Danny Bless have booked 80 of them before.
So all right, let's look at the lighter side of it and not.
No. Hold on. When I already feel lighter sided, me just want to ask this because
There's no light.
Me, I do the maths, and because of the True Fashion and Open Live show, when you're doing these things, you have to do it fairly accurately. So the maths, the gang of 5 now will look like A and B, next are C and 1 plus 1 equal 2.
And a 4.
So it look like say 1 and Andrew, why 4? What was I 4?
Hey, let me tell you something. Me bring up a topic a while ago.
Yeah.
And me born was and up and live. And then everything good for eat, good for talk.
Yeah.
Me she and him back out. So I don't want to talk now.
If you don't want to talk about it,
no,
if you say you don't want to talk about it.
And I like that.
Yeah.
So my time, if you think about that, I'm gonna keep you guys pending. So you're gonna look. Because why people call people name? I never call on name. You call
I mean call name.
Okay,
Yeah, I mean call
you feel
name.
like you alone call name?
No, because me work out the maths.
You know why? Okay, them saluting.
Yeah, that's why me do. That's why me tell you some. Me work out the maths. Me work out the maths. Because obviously.
When I stated Gang of 5, I never call no names.
Yeah. So I don't know why the 4.
Okay?
That's why me ask if you
I
can
never
name
call
anybody
no
else.
names. If I call a name, I'll be responsible for calling names. I never call on names.
Yeah.
What happened now? That's why people will not show me a company. I tell you, oh yeah, listen. I never call no names, right? A certain, we call it
Individual.
A certain
Individual.
They don't use individual. That too posh for them. A certain
Person.
somebody.
Yeah.
Somebody. Keep it less than an individual. Never too posh for them, yeah? A certain, cut off, eh? A certain somebody. All right. When I mention the Gang of 5, you know, I could start out with the Gang of 5 get to elaborate.
But that's why we need to actually.
Lizard done a video. And he stated in that video, it's everywhere, saying, well, you know what I mean, name Lizard, you know, all right, and I feel like I got top DJ, you know, because I will put bad man at DJ, you know, select them bad man, boy, and you have some selector,
Yeah, me
3
see
or
that
4
video.
there, and then still want to come push you out of your work, and he's talking about other things. Listen, remember, I'm a vlogger, whether you like it or not, I've been doing this for a long time. Yeah, you mean, listen, when I see that video, I say, just like how you not talk about it. How you not talk about it on our big platform.
We did talk about
It's
it.
the awareness.
We
All
did.
right, I don't say nothing. Listen. So when I see the video, as a sensible human being and mad at times, I say, wait, hold on. Is this coming from a DJ? And I look good, innit? I'm just telling from my, how do I appreciate it? That's all. So I'm saying, all right then. I'm gonna talk about it and the awareness of these things is happening to fellow DJs. If I did a miss it wouldn't too bad, but a DJ has said that. Am I wrong or am I right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Eh?
But then there's Danny. But you have to also you're being responsible as being a responsible vlogger.
Yes.
There's also a level of responsibility you have to share as a person who is delivering the message. Not because you might feel a personal way about it.
No, that's an open. No, listen, that's an open thing. That's documented.
Let me finish what I'm saying. So I'm saying, in regards to any situation it has, we as Open Live Show, even though we might hear certain things, we can't not necessarily just bring it back exactly how it go. We have to kind of be. We have to use context about it and not try to be lenient to each other, to any side of the conversation whatsoever.
Okay.
Because we are a platform that is for everybody.
Okay.
So it's not like we're trying to pick
for everybody.
sides.
We beat ourselves over
For
it,
everybody.
you know.
Hold on, come
Yeah.
on, talk. For
Yeah.
everybody.
Yeah.
For everybody.
everybody.
Yeah, exactly.
All right.
So
I see
maybe
some awareness about Up and Live, but we don't get into that. No,
Yeah, but
we don't need to
it's-
fix up to, but we don't get into that.
that is
no.
all right, brother.
I remember what
That
I will
is
tell
all
you
right.
next day.
Yeah.
But when I've just finished this, right? So when Lizard, I'm telling you how this all thing create up, right? So when I see the video of Lizard venting in it,
Yeah.
I said, just like him. I was all him sitting. I said, what are the upon life we are sitting to talk about, innit? Because I did wanted something to talk about. And I said, okay, this sound just like a topic. Because it's coming from a DJ, innit? I went live on my phone now. And I've got like 85 people, right? And I said, well, if this is coming from a fellow DJ, this is a DJ I've been in the business for over nearly 2 decades, on top of his game, experience this, he win trophies, whatever. So he's a big icon in the business, isn't it? So if this is coming from his mouth, you know, look good. You need to question. Am I lying? I understand to talk about it.
That's
innit?
true,
Right?
yeah.
I said to them, no, if this is coming from a DJ, you know, look good. You hear what go on? No. I said, well, who feels it knows it, you know, maybe he's talking about what he experienced. Everybody experienced things different. So him have him make him vent, innit? But it still need to question.
Yeah.
It either talk a DJ or a fella worker, innit? So that's all. You don't know what I say? So you me now with my enough self, but as well you say, do you believe me? It's a bonus entrance. I could say anything on my live and people catch on to it and follow.
Yeah.
So then I know some had a power the boy. I could have said dark shit and get all enough people to say dark shit.
Yeah.
So whether they like it or not,
Yeah,
me have that
influencer.
energy the boy.
Trendy.
I miss say, do you believe me?
Yeah.
It's a bonus. Entrance,
Take
do
into
many things, not everything,
consideration.
24 hours, your pussy check, all of these things that is great. So people follow me, what I say, copy. Listen to what now. I'm on the live now, up on live. Hear me now. Well, everybody have a different story, you know. Maybe it's a gang of 5 or it's a 3 musketeer. I mean, just come up with some phrase. I never have an identity of
Okay.
where I was going.
Right.
It's not something I script. It just flow.
Ah.
Do you understand me? I come
Clad.
from.
Una
So,
can't give me light bulb
so
emoji
when me
over
go say
there.
gang of 5 now, gatekeeper now,
Right.
them like the gang of 5.
So-
The people them in and they say gang of 5.
It's so
Gang
good.
of
So it
five.
was in the comment
So-
section.
Yes.
So
Right.
Yeah.
so because I'm doing my work and people don't say me mix up, me I put 1 and 2 together.
Your maths now working.
So what I know, cause me dey go a little bit of school. Me dey smoke beer weed in a school back. Sometime, but me I put 2 and 2 together. So the gang of 5, member me say it, you know. So allegedly, when me work out, me don't know if it's true, if me accurate with my calculation. So you look like Andrew, look like Video Ropes. Mix your night, you know.
You
Them
have
say
seen,
Liars Squad.
you have seen a night, you know.
You have Liars Squad.
You have some little puppy
And
that pop you up.
me
now.
can't work out the next 2. You know
have
you
a-
can't.
who
Me
you
don't know. You know the next 2.
Apparently, me not. I don't know.
More put the gang of 5 together because if I them I gatekeeper.
Apparently.
Me know say
somebody
Daniel
said-
Bless is very powerful. So remember me not get whole heap of booking. So
Daniel Martin Luther.
me I beg you. We don't know about the lucky gate pan dragon.
And-
No, anybody. Listen, if you talk, listen, I'm going to tell you this.
Mix me our friend.
Yeah,
No,
I'ma
we're
tell you
good.
this, yeah. If you talk about this gang of 5,
Yeah.
not in a good way, let me tell you this. It's a power, and that's what I'm trying to.
But we want to respect.
Money is not power, you know. Oh, you know, you know.
Yeah.
Link.
Are you listening to me? A man, right now, I could want to buy a Dragon car. So Dragon sell him car for £1,000. And I said, Dragon, I give her £5,000. And I come to Dragon with the £5,000. No one I give Dragon. I want my business car. Dragon I say, yo, no give Danny, no. Give Tony, me, I'll give you. I give you money next week. But you respect a friend and give Tony. And I want Dragon money because you don't know how much respect him have for that.
Yeah.
Right.
Am I lying though?
Right.
So but what I'm saying to you, you cannot, if you talk against that, check this. Which DJ boy you talk about the next DJ up in the top railway and survive. You can't talk about certain DJ the boy. DJ them powerful boy. Because furthermore, people in the dance, they love big up. You see big up? Some of them man ain't diss them. And they still see them and hear them just to big up. Are you listening to me? I see like time we deal with all the sister, with all some man sister, you know.
Yeah,
And this, you know, you see
yeah,
now?
but you have to level up. But
Eh?
but Danny, come
Daniel, I
on.
worry of the people.
Listen,
and I'm
you
like
listen.
that.
You know, you hear me I say?
Listen,
Illuminati.
Danny, you have to
Right,
accept, sometimes you have to, as a man, you have to accept certain things. So maybe if you reach a point where you come to your time, you're just not at again.
Where you
I
say
can't-
that?
No, that can't be true.
No, where you say?
Me say, maybe you come to a time because everybody in everybody career, the toppest man in the game, biggest artist, have a time when he hot, everybody want to hear, all I sang them have a time, everybody don't want to hear. Maybe that's your time where you are not the at host anymore. Somebody else are the at host.
No, it's
Could be
it's
that.
Wait.
hold on, no, no,
Wait.
That's not the
You
problem, Rick.
You put yourself in a problem.
And the problem with Rick.
No,
Oh, you gone there, sir?
no, because you said
No, hold on.
No, Rick.
No,
No,
wait,
Rick.
let me talk to
Hold
you.
on.
Because you're in a problem now.
Hold on.
we are
Repeat,
talking
listen up. More people are listening. Listen up.
Can I get
Exactly.
Get up on a platform, you know. And people are listening, you know. And I'm
Exactly.
going to watch this. You hear me? My mother go watch it.
Exactly.
My friend them go watch me. Repeat what you say. More and get it clearly. If you know what
let
you
me
say.
ask the question
Yeah,
again.
same thing, you know. What do you say?
Because we are here to ask the questions and not because you have a loud voice. You
It's
feel
not
like,
about, oh, we never just someone that good for a
let me
reason, man.
finish.
That's not-
Let me finish because sometimes you have to listen to everything and sometimes me might be incorrect, but
Okay.
but that's
I
what
like
I'm
that.
saying. The question is asked because you say since
Talk about the at
no,
host. I look apart them when you get
I'm
into.
going to that. You talk about the Gang of Five since the Gang of Five called the name.
I never
or-
stated no name, you know.
No, you didn't say the name, but you said the
Okay.
Gang of Five.
Okay.
And
Remember
you said that the
honest
Gang of
name.
Five is powerful, and since that you talk about the Gang of 5 your booking's gone down and everything gone. It's affected you a lot.
It's
but I'm
not a
saying
lot.
that the question that I just asked in reflection to that is that maybe it's not the Gang of 5 that caused you not to be as hot again. Maybe it's just your time of the hot part we're getting out of the bookings has phased out, and maybe.
How will we reach our bookings?
Well, you mentioned it, so that's why I'm questioning
No
it.
talk now. Thank you very much. Me get what I say. Listen. Well, you remember this, yeah? As a DJ, right? And you're a good one as well. I was watching a program yesterday. You have a new thing going on every Sunday.
Give thanks.
Yeah, sit up.
Retro
Watch what I
Sundays.
want, yeah?
Big up.
Don't feel like me not watch what I want, yeah? I'll tell you this, yeah? Before you talk about that, yeah? Can you not tell me these things, yeah? It's when you talk to me up on live, anybody at all. When you talk, you have to think when you talk, awareness, put into consideration. Listen, hosts not give a lot of money like a DJ. Are you listening to me? So doing an event or whatever, it's not bringing, he knows that. You understand me? The name is bigger than the business.
Yeah.
How me sound then? How me sound?
Yeah, me
listen
understand what
what
you
this
say.
if you know, right? Why you not say to me, say, Danny, me applaud you for the fact that you come into dancehall and like there was host before and you
but you
establish
can't-
open.
but-
Listen, I'm done talking now. Open that door for host to go into dancehall where the marketable. Wait. Listen now. No, listen now. You state about at host. I'm going to tell you something. Me not care about at. You said me not care about at. I will keep my mouth shut. Do you understand me then? You say people who care about
you
that,
believe me?
me that keep my mouth shut. Do you believe me? So I don't care about at host, cool host. I'm just doing my go and speak my truth.
No, but you can't
So whether-
always,
listen up.
you can't
So you said-
always expect people to always be giving you the good side, and you always want
No,
to
I'm
be.
cool with that.
No.
I'm not bothered about but you know.
No,
hear
but
me
you
say-
have to accept-
No, me
but you
say
don't
no.
wanna hear
When you said
the
it,
other
you said
side.
no.
You don't wanna
know
hear
what
that
piss
side.
me off? I'm gonna tell you what pissed me off. Not in a bad way.
Yeah.
But me I elaborate. But for me, yeah, I could lose hosting. It's nothing to me. You understand me? I'm an artist. Listen, I'm a writer. I'm writing. I'm doing loads of stuff.
I
Do you
think
under-
you're a better artist than a-
So listen,
than a host.
it aligns with a lot of things. So just like me. You know why me talk? Because if them kick me out of dancehall, I go acting. Do you understand me? I come from me. Yeah? If them kick me out of acting, me go vlogging.
Yeah.
If them keep me out of vlogging, me go something else. So maybe a person who have one, we call it, them can't avenue, then maybe now go challenge it like
Yeah.
me. Maybe that's how I look at it. That's why I just try.
You have multiple choices.
How me sound then? So
Yeah.
picture it like that. So you could have said, Danny, I think you just talk and you don't care. If you said that, I think I would agree with you more.
So
Do you understand me? I come from. I care less.
Danny's a freedom
Perfect,
fighter for
perfect.
Do you
dancehall.
understand me? I care
Perfect,
less.
clear.
so Danny, like how you said, you clarify your request, yeah? More answer this now. So this whole thing with the fight that you're getting in your booking drop and everything will happen, yeah? Are you going? I hear earlier on in the interview you state and say you're gonna leave the media, less. You're gonna do less vlogging. So it's because you're making the Gang of 5 the gatekeepers win, or
Them the
that's
shit
advised
house
by
that
manager?
can't win. It's not even about winning.
But that's a ask.
It's not even about winning. Awareness. You hear me? I'm not going to attack an individual. I just
Yeah.
want people to know that these guys is out there. And that's good enough for me and I move on.
So you expose them.
Do you understand me? I
expose
come
So
them.
from?
you're saying you're not identifying any
No,
one
it's
person.
awareness. And you know, so some of the time I'm a wicked boy at all.
Yeah.
Because I'm sure I'm a wicked boy, you know,
Yeah,
yeah?
go, talk.
I made this statement, you know, couple weeks ago, you know,
Yeah.
right? Or a couple months ago. A week or 2 weeks or 3 weeks after, I know. I hear Popcorn talking about gatekeepers. I hear, why not talk about them? So,
Yeah, but this
no,
not-
listen up. So, what I'm saying, yeah? Gatekeeper they everywhere.
But
So
Danny,
now-
Danny,
Danny,
yeah,
hold-
so alone
can-
in the
can I-
music.
So
can I
let me
stop
ask
you,
you this.
innit?
What make you come to this conclusion, say, they are the gatekeepers, they're a gang of 5. Have you seen they open the gate for a specific artist or close the gate on a specific
Oh, yeah,
artist
sir,
or a
man,
DJ?
I- put
Just,
it this way,
yeah,
put it
just,
this
yeah,
way.
explain that
Right.
for me, because I don't know.
None of them can't tell me nothing more. Yeah.
Okay.
Me look up to the elders when I dance hall before me. I have great people, and I know how I'm learn every day, I'm listen. But then if you know about Danny Best, you see that brain, yeah? I see a lot. I may observe a lot. I come like a sponge. I see so much. Remember, you know, I was in the dance hall as a dance hall icon, you know, keeping dance at top promoter. I channel myself going into dance hall where I kick off this tour and start host dance in the UK in the same dance where I used to be a fan of all these guys. Now I'm sharing stage with all these guys. Alan Brando, a host for stage show. Yeah? And Alan Brando as a man when me go show, go host. And remember me and Alan Brando in a dance like that. Yeah? And when me go host show, the amount of love where Alan Brando show me as a host. You know? And listen, the man in my dance and now show you the same love. These, you understand me forward, fam? So what I'm saying to you, you hear me? I'm doing it my way. And I care about no one else.
But Danny, if
Right?
if you understand what your greatest asset is your personality, and that nobody can duplicate and nobody
Then I
can
like
copy
it.
that.
Coming a yes man.
Because to say that because that's where me feel like say you sell yourself short as a product, Danny Bless. Because if you are me not feel like if you focus on hosting alone. Because just Danny Bless walk into any environment or any room, it change everything. So you're not even because even the artist sang this the 24 hours song, what we take it for a joke at first.
I don't.
But it's a wicked song because me see when you perform it, imagine me see you perform it and Dragon mentioned this already, where you turn it into
No, the pussy check sound.
We'll
Yeah,
check
yeah,
it.
yeah.
2 versions.
yeah, and you do it decent into pana and a decent performance make people because people that frown up on that song in a normal context, but how you change. But what I'm saying is that the personality of Danny Bless is what did that. It's not because you're a good say you're a perfect artist or a perfect host.
Rick.
Danny want to
But
Rick.
Point, Bruce. What a point. So now we know that you're going up against the grain, right? The gang of 5, right? So
Want to talk about my career, my
hold
good
on,
things.
hold on, Danny, hold on.
We finish
So
it.
now you're going against the grain, right? Them say dancehall or the ghetto story always like what you call it a good rags to riches, you know, somebody from nothing to something. So this is a perfect example for you to show your worth in dancehall. To say, listen, I'm up against the gatekeeper. I'm gonna come out as Danny Bless, as victorious against the gang of 5. So what's your strategy for this year?
You know my strategy?
Yeah.
My strategy for this year. As I said earlier, when I can't call me the awareness man. I think that's the word.
Arenas boss.
The awareness boss.
Yes.
Because I'm someone, I'm just like this. I don't care who he is. If you make a wrong move, and your friend, or your girl, or your woman, or your picnic, if you tell them, I say, no, yo, I leave that together. You could have been boss. So that I've been challenging my life and my youth. You know, I'm saying I chat too much, but I work if I just speak my mind, and I don't care who you is. And I don't have no boss. And furthermore, listen, me don't love big up. Guy, me did love big up, but I keep my mouth shut and I get be a big up. So I sacrifice my big up with them embrace. Do you understand where I come from?
Exactly.
Just to speak my mind.
Let's move on to the other side of Danny Bless, the music side.
So let me start off this thing.
Brett's go ahead.
So Danny
Well,
Bless.
you're quiet a while ago all the time. You know, so you're not saying nothing, you know?
No, because
Okay.
come
You
on,
know,
co-host.
you know, so you're like,
Danny,
they get free, they get
Danny,
free. That's
Danny.
I'm afraid of Danny Bless.
Remember. I've got an application with Gang of 5, so me cannot say certain
You're
things.
affiliated.
Something like that, them say.
But before we come off of the
No.
verify, yeah, I don't have a malice with no one. It's just that me do an outburst, a very vulgar outburst, and them take it upon them head. But at the same time, they wasn't look at what they said, and some people don't.
We still missing 2 of the gang of 5.
Someone talk, oh, me tell man to do that. What did he say in the comments? No talk about that. That give me the energy to fire back. You never know that.
Could you
You never know all them something, you know, chat. You don't feel no, not your dad. You know me.
I know what's
You know
going
what
on.
I
get?
No,
And
no,
I
no,
heard
no,
the
no,
rumors
no.
in the
We
street.
asked you the questions.
So-
Hold on the All-Star.
Everything
We-
depends on my phone.
Well, Danny, entrance boss.
Yeah, me
We
listen
are
to it.
asking you the questions because not everybody might have been on the live to see the comments and to hear what was spoken. So it's not that we don't know, you know.
All right.
You understand? So we are asking the question, so it is put
May I have
into
a proof? May I have
context.
everything on my phone?
Hold on,
Anybody
Danny,
reach out to you
and
verbally
people can
or via
follow the
text?
conversation. You
Why
understand?
you don't want me to show it? Yeah.
Let me ask.
No, we
No,
not.
show it, Danny. You can show it.
Me want to read
show
it. Me want to read
Yeah,
it.
I read
Me
it.
read it.
Yeah.
You what
Go ahead.
happened?
Yeah.
So you're going to read some of the comments that were made.
No,
Good.
we're not take it. We'll take it short.
Okay, go ahead.
When I made a video about the awareness.
Yes.
So I never point the finger at no gang of
You
five.
just made your statement.
I just made my statement. I
Right.
didn't even know about gang of five because you know gang of five come back. Remember I'm not Jamaica.
But
you
who
have the
missing
gang of
it?
five. Remember it's a
Yeah.
Jamaican thing, innit?
Yeah.
Right?
Bros, who are you next to? Or Danny, who are you
Hold
next
on,
to?
listen. Let me tell you a woman before me left, man. You don't know say I'm not bad like that, man. You don't know say what happened? When I talk about the Gang of Five, I don't know if just get this for people, get this, eh? When I talk about the Gang of Five, I didn't have a topic, into it. I just have a topic, right? A certain somebody go in them office and turn on them phone. Watch. Oh, this is where some boy, they, you know, them now do this when they watch people business and now work and chat people and they not go on for them and they buck. And listen up. So if you listen now, if you listen what go on now. Yeah. Listen what go on now. Listen what go on now. When that person done that video, that person, that sickly person, the one I know, I shut down like him have issues, but God bless him next year, yeah? You hear me? What may I say, yeah? That
Can you go to ad break?
that do it, yeah? And you know what I'm do? I'm tell you what I'm do. Then no, because they had a problem because what was on the comments, eh? When I talk about the Gang of Five, you know, the people them do their maths and I put certain individual name in the comments.
But he didn't call your name because
Listen,
I saw the video that you're talking.
Listen, you want to talk to you know?
Yeah.
And a jacket now when I come here, you text it.
No, but I'm not texting,
No,
but
no,
me,
no,
this
listen,
is facts are facts.
No, show me a facts.
State facts.
Me I go reason,
Yeah.
right? Jagan, thank you for your time, yeah? Yeah, hear me I say to you, now, right? We are going to talk about it.
sign
I you
out.
say your seat there.
Yeah.
So we're talking about US seat.
Yeah, let me see your video.
You first say your seat, so your business, right?
Yeah.
When I stated about the gatekeepers and the Gang of Five, not did have a compound, I just a topic. Listen now. When you look a week after, when I talk about it, some people was in the comments putting names of people who they think. Cause remember, I know, me just say Gang of Five, gatekeeper, and then just say Gang of Five. I want 100. Sit me see, say Gang of Five. Who's the Gang of Five? Then just on it, the Gang of Five.
So people know it from before, they just want
So
you to
people-
say it.
Come on, now, man. You know, see your bite? Yeah, you forgot you Oxford, yeah? Listen up. You know, say, Mr. Yes, I'm bite,
Yeah.
boy, I Cambridge and forgot my friend.
Yeah, so you got some
Let me
boom.
speak him, listen up.
Yeah.
So, when say come like him, it burn them. It burn somebody 90, you know. After, you know, because I forgot about everything, you know. 90 after, cause a couple people jump on it and then it dead down. Dead down. I forgot about it. You know, say one man, I wake up now, I got to talk about it, you know.
Yeah.
I remember you just saying you know, put no name, because you're bright, you know. I want you to look something. See the video, I screenshot it.
That camera
The
there.
person-
That camera there.
Yeah.
Turn the camera
The
there.
Yeah.
person
Turn the phone to that camera there.
who, where are they?
Make sure you say I down
Who
that dog.
stated
I
Gang
man,
of
can you
Five?
zoom when you turn it around, please?
Who, where there? Who you hear talk about the Gang of Five? Danny
You,
Bless, innit?
Danny
Okay.
Bless, yeah.
So,
Turn
listen,
that camera
you know I'm
down.
going to go to you. But if you're bright as my friend, you're going to know, say. Them targets, say.
No.
Say
No.
Gang
Hold
of
up,
Five.
yeah.
Uncle
No,
Ivan
it's
keys.
going to reflect.
You hear me?
Keys,
What me
zoom in
say?
on Clavin.
So this videos goes
See, Clavin
for
zoom in.
who say Gang of Five. Do you understand where I come from? Am I lying?
Okay.
So this is my entrance. They come at me here.
Okay.
Look, you can read it.
Yeah.
They said they never call a name, but my name is Gang of Five. I mean the CEO of it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Am I wrong?
Right.
So never fire shot. No, am I lying though? No, go
No,
on.
you're not lying.
No, talk.
You
straight.
steady,
Come
you
on, if you're
screenshot
mad
it,
man.
it's there.
Hold on.
Never tell a lie.
Look at me and I trim
Hold
the
on,
blood.
hold on. Pass it. Let me have a.
No, I'm gonna give it to you one time. I don't give you phone two
Humble
times.
kid.
No, ask me phone. All right, listen now.
Yeah.
When I saw it now, and it say, "Oh, it's a Gang of Five."
Yeah.
Listen. I got VA Technical High School.
Yeah.
Yeah. Furthermore, I got Ample Basic School. I left basic school, which my principal, my teacher was my auntie. auntie's a teacher. Yeah, and my auntie teach me at school when I was getting basic school. Yeah, I left there, I went Maypen Primary School. Yeah, I never take exam common entrance at that time because I was a wild child. Innit? I settled down. You hear me? And they sent me to an all-age school, Asburns to an all-age. And I take my exam in grade 8. And I become a past student of very technical high school. I never playing a football or in a track and field for the high school.
Education.
Just when they not chat to me,
Yeah.
I know a word meaning.
Straight.
I'm very touches when they use words. Yeah, you have to
Okay.
know what to say.
All right,
Listen,
then
now,
let's get back
when,
to
when they put up this, now listen.
Yeah.
As a man, you got very technical high school. The school not really determine who bright is, but just I'll show you my achievements. innit,
Yeah.
Right? Here now, where the so-called person now said now. I want you to read it. It's documented. You can read it. So this is the person who run in the comments, you know.
Yeah.
I'm gonna read it. No, let me read it. Cause I can't read it. I'm gonna go very technical. So now y'all wanna read it, right?
Big up very technical.
It's this is coming from the famous. I don't want to get into it. No promotion. Do your homework and the assessment. All
Yeah.
right. But what that sign now? Because I know what they say.
I laughing.
Laughing emoji. So I'm laughing.
Yeah.
And to me understand diagram and house plan, my bill house.
Yeah.
So when them say the plan come give me, I know my bathroom did that there. I say no, I don't want it there so.
Yeah.
So me know diagram.
Danny, in the interest
Listen
of
up.
time.
All right.
Read.
Yeah.
We have
Hear what you know? Both gang of 5, gatekeeper, and laugh again. Whatever you say in a comment, you're responsible for that. That's like vocals. When you start to realize on these lives, as open live, whatever you're in a comment and you state that, are you sister?
Danny, read.
You hear me? But gang of 5, gatekeeper, tell them stop blaming people for them being worthless. Listen. worthless, worthless. And he put an identity on the worthless and put, you know, him can't spell good.
No,
worthless.
workless are the Jamaican.
Yeah, you hear me? He put the worthless in Jamaica and in bracket as well, you know.
Workless.
So this
Open and close bracket,
no,
guys.
Individual.
somebody tell me something I worthless man.
Yeah.
Yeah, you hear me? Me not take them the something
That,
because
that,
me
part,
not dunks.
that part that I agree
Listen,
with.
listen,
with
I'm
what
finish
this
now.
part, Yeah.
Yeah. Uno go look at a job and stop watching people who are winning. Yeah, you're winning. We all know you're winning. But listen, how would you listen? When we grow up, and next thing again, I grew up in Clarendon. I grew up with a mom and a stepdad. My mom was a married woman, so I never grew up in a yard where, but I'm married like us. I grew up in now. So we used to breakfast, summer,
parent.
lunch, and dinner. Do you believe me? I have a best stepdad in the world. So I was a love child. Yeah? I mean, a word meaning. So when you go at me, I said, worthless. You're
Okay.
rude, blood.
So, all right. So this is.
You understand me? No,
this-
no,
this-
no, listen
This
up.
should be.
No, you're rude, man.
Well, no, we have to. We, in the
Okay.
interest of the people is watching and listening for
Yeah.
us, we have to be try to keep people into follow the story and see what we're talking about. So basically, the comments say both them say gang of 5, and before you go look at our work, and basically in class as worthless. And this is one individual. So this is what my problem is. How did it get to gang of 5? Because this is one person. I won't say the person name because the camera didn't show it.
No, you have to look for the name.
No, I see
You
it.
can't,
say
no,
the
you
name.
are the host. You
The
can't
name
call
is
the
on
name.
the comments.
The
Say
name
the
is on
name.
the comments. So the first comment that said who said gang of 5.
That's the person who did the video.
Who started? Who
Yeah.
did the
And then
video?
send it-
you're,
Whose
and
name
you're
is on the
saying
message
we're,
to me
you're
now.
saying we're
Whose
supposed
name?
to read
Whose
the name.
name is on
The
it? Read the
name
name.
is Video Ropes. So Video Ropes made that comment.
Mm-hmm.
Don't know that you have to say, man.
And then in response to
When
that
it-
comment,
And next comment.
the
yeah.
other comment, which is the fire, adding fuel to fire.
Yeah,
so to
okay.
speak, if you want to explain
Yeah.
that, is coming from Andrew Fresh.
All right, and it's documented.
And
innit?
it's there.
All right, sure.
So
Show it to him.
so it's there. So it's two different comments. Just,
So I will
just
say them
so
say
that
if I
there
go
is
look at work.
clarity.
Listen now, more answer.
I will say if I go look at
So this is shouldn't be gang
I
of
will
5.
say, pass it because I can't read to make a good school.
Yeah, you go.
Lord Clad. So, okay, Andrew say you're workless.
yeah. No, worthless and worthless. I don't hide it. Don't cheat me forward.
Hold on. Yeah,
Worthless
yeah.
and worthless.
Workless.
maybe
And
workless.
Jamaican.
Eh?
The Jamaican
Johnny,
way,
Johnny.
workless. See? So, Danny,
Dragon,
hold on. So,
Dragon
it's
finish.
Andrew Fresh say you're workless if you go look at work. See? And stop watch people you win. Yeah. See? So, that's where the whole little what you call it? The bad vibe starts from.
Yeah. No, remember just finish. Cause I don't want to
Yeah.
Cause I don't want to put it out to the public, right?
Yeah.
What is it now? When I see the this in the comment,
Yeah.
I was like, wow, these guys are crazy. I thought this finished and over with. So I feel lonely, and I feel like they might take set for me now, innit? And nobody now see it because like, so if you're intelligent and I follow the internet, and you know what me do? That's how the bird say. When I know say me a psycho, so when they go at me, and I know worse me have something. When you go at me, listen.
So why you never call? Because I'm sure you have
Call me here, so me I
video.
call him, and look at me a phone.
Yo,
down.
guys, so we're part of it too long and we have time to
No,
go.
but we can't move on.
Let me just finish.
Rick.
What I done, yeah?
Is that
What I done, when he stated that, to be honest with you, the way I was brought up, the community and environment I brought up, when I call nobody worthless, you know what them say after? I don't know, who go to Jamaica? When a man say, you're worthless, they say like your mama or your dirty papa. So, I think the way I was brought up and the environment I'm in, I just...
So how can we fix it?
So
You
hold on.
understand me? So
Before we go any further, cause we're almost to a close. We figure 3 of the gang of 5. So you have Andrew Ropes, Loyal Squad. See it?
Just randomly calling people's names.
So
You're
hold
just
on.
randomly calling people's names.
Hold
bro.
on. So we have 3.
Done enough.
So 2 missing.
Done enough.
No, so
that it takes
no.
Dragon the third name.
2 is missing. So
We're fulfilling the puzzle.
Me this a mix from a long time.
Yeah.
So obviously we figure out we are put the puzzle together. So who's the other 2? I don't know the other 2. Me I wonder who are the other 2.
One thing I try to tell you upon live, big or no, but the case is a big case, lefty. Anybody get trouble in a gang?
We don't want to get cancer. Jagan, we don't get
cancer.
cancer. We don't want, Uncle Evan say, guys, you know what, the studio move, we can't find it. We don't want that.
Listen, in the interest of being more mature, human being, more than DJs and what, people in the world, why don't we look for a way to address our have you reached out to any of these person that you have the problem? Because as far as I know you through one of the names that you just mentioned and you just forward to me. Because that's how I get to know who Danny Bless is.
Yeah.
So me feel like say this should be some form of amends she can go to the situation.
No, sometimes I have to just you know what is it? As I said to you about the professional part of what I want to be more. You hear me? I'm just doing me. And as I said to you, I don't have a malice in no one. It just come with awareness, boss, and it goes on. I don't have malice in no bad. I live my life.
Do you believe
You understand me? Do you believe me? And that about it. You understand me? And right now, God has blessed me back. Because the promoters, my phone is ringing now. So I've got booking, but I get mostly country booking.
All right,
now.
talk about booking them right now.
Hold on. Before we jump into that, just to let everybody be aware, say this conversation is always 2 sides to a coin.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
hopefully next week or the week after, we're gonna try to get one of
The gang,
gang
of
of 5
But I
For
three.
sure, then,
to come talk their side
So
of the
Loyal
story.
Squad.
So
Yeah.
because remember, I just read off all the pandemic bless phone. I don't know if a Photoshop. I was not on the live when the comment was made. I just read off what's on the phone and name what was
no,
there.
Since that happened,
So-
I never know. Enough selector, delete my song. You
We-
can't call them name. Enough of them now.
Jack-
Delete
Jack-
the
one.
song.
Enough of them delete my song.
Me don't,
No,
okay.
but
But what?
Danny, me not talk to Andrew Fresh every day. But Andrew Fresh is a person who I respect as a
So you alone need respect.
Now
Andrew.
let me explain why I
Let
say
him
that.
finish.
So we hear your side and me not say what you say is wrong because everybody feel them one pain. Exactly. And you say how you feel. And we is why me to ask you if you could go back and try for men's situation. But obviously, me would have publicly like to invite Andrew Fresh to have a conversation as well. Our ropes.
Our
To hear
Lions
for them
squad.
side.
Can I say
Because obviously, are them 2 person there in the comments. Me not see no the gang of 5 is just a
I
swag.
got 3. Come in and know here's a 2.
Yeah. I
something?
three of them
You know
try
why? You know why? You hear what you said? You're a good host. You hear what she said?
Yeah.
I mean, I left after the chair, you know. Yeah, my friend. She said earlier on, because I don't feel like me not listen. She said, when the person add the comment in, they bring fuel to the fire. Okay, so put that into consideration when you talk.
Yes, we
Okay,
understand, but at the same time, we would like for this situation to be spoken about and hashed out.
Yeah.
You
And
want it squash.
No, we want it to be squashed. Because remember, you're co-workers in the fraternity, the dancehall space. You are an icon in dancehall as well as the other two people. Danny, can I finish, please? Can I
Danny, what the
finish?
flow was the man?
You all have been impactful within the UK dancehall scene, right? So if it is a case that you can amicably sit, have a conversation, resolve the issue. I know it is a painful situation, but if you can come forward to an understanding, and even if you don't have to deal again on in the space, you are co-workers. So if you can forward and have a conversation and get it resolved, that is what that is what I would like to see.
Me dance all nice
That's what
again.
I would like to
That
see.
is
May the
true.
gate free up.
That is true. And the next thing, I have to say to both vloggers, selectors, video personnel, sound system, in the UK space, in the entertainment scene, I think everybody is too thin skin. Because just like how me can dish it out and dish out the fuckery, because enough time them beat my bad in the comment section, you know. You never hear Dragon go on a reel and a run because me know say me can when me ready for give it to them, me give it to them. You
That
see?
you say?
I girl let me give it to. I want the
That
bum
you
buckle
say?
here, man.
I mix as a rush, you know. Me don't know, you know.
I want to answer before I leave, yeah?
Yeah.
Because I know long enough to
Yeah.
I just want to say this loud and
Clear.
straight. See right now, as what you say a while ago, that's the right thing, the right thing when you say about getting things together. But sometime in life, me the man got a lot of experience. I could write a book about my life. And like, if you notice, I don't power the people. Yeah, you hear me? I'm a solar person. This is my time, no, what me I got you with my meds and everything, so just leave me to it.
Okay.
You understand me?
Okay.
And I'm here to listen. I'm here to take advice. I'm here to adapt as well. But at the same time, remember before me get into this platform thing, I was a wild person out there, really.
Right.
And I've done a sort of life for 20 odd years in a dark place, being that person and pick up a lot of bad habits, innit? You know what I mean? Innit?
Yeah,
Since
definitely.
you've been here, so I wasn't like that. But when you reach out the country, I have to just be that like an animal there. So I'm just trying to just. What you say? You call the word that you use
We want it to be
know,
resolved. We want it to be amicable.
Like more reform myself.
Yeah.
So
Revamp.
Revamp. So
Revamp, yeah.
don't judge me.
Right.
Because I don't mean no harm.
Right.
But you understand me?
Yeah.
I don't mean no harm. I'm you know, don't judge me. I don't mean no harm.
Right.
Please don't
You
judge.
understand
We're gonna
me?
wrap up
They don't
shortly.
judge me too much blood because we all make mistakes. Listen,
Yeah.
we all make mistakes.
We're humans.
Listen, no? We all gonna win the race.
Yeah.
Yeah? We all have good days. We all have bad days. We all make mistakes. We all gonna win the race.
Right.
Just don't be a two-face.
Don't be.
Yeah.
Okay.
Buckler.
Even
Yo,
though
sound
we make,
effect.
listen, even though we make mistakes. You hear me?
Yes.
Even though we make mistakes, don't be a two-face.
Okay.
Don't get pussy them the toothpaste. Because I still I go win the race.
All right. Then, my boss.
So in the interest of time, we have to kind of wrap the show up now. But before we go, Andrew first, this is a public invite for you onto the show for next week, Tuesday, even via satellite for 15 minutes, just to clarify some unresolved issue and unresolved question that we want to clarify because we like to see this matter quash or get to a conclusion in the best possible way for every party who is involved. So yeah, so Andrew,
No, that's not his page though. But
we would like to invite you to the
That's
show,
his event page.
even if you're not back on the shore of the UK. Would like to invite you via satellite. So yeah,
Yeah.
so people,
Yeah. So that's So Andrew, if you wanna have a chat with us, let's have a chat. Danny, music wise, quickly run us through your next up forwarding projects, please.
Oh, so far I'm gonna voice. I've got some song voicing now, and I'm doing a music video right now. As we said earlier on, I listen to you. Look out for Pussy Check video anytime now, and finally Body Check.
24 hours.
24 hours a day video. Yeah, money I spend now. Yeah, you can then say me buck I'm hungry. Yeah, but me buy black steel cement and bill. It's long time, so me for buck in it. Yeah, but leave it there, so yeah.
All right.
So just look for some good music.
Yeah, put in
and
some
I
work.
really appreciate all the guys love my music. Cause when you said it at work, I don't care about no one else.
Yeah.
Thank you guys, and we just here to listen, learn. Rick, me love how you stand up and you know.
Why?
Yeah, I like that. The hard guy, I know.
Yo.
What do you want, my friend? What do you want? What do you want?
No,
Yeah. What do you want?
I would have gone. I would be like, you know,
Not clear this.
Jagan.
Yes, sir.
I thought you was this week. Rick is the man who, you know, we're more outspoken, so I have to big him up for that as well. Like him, I learn from him.
Everybody is different.
You know, see Rick, you know, see Rick like him, I'll guns out tonight.
No, sir, we can't bother with the fight in the studio.
Yeah, it's a good thing, you know.
In a closer to you, Jagan.
Quickly, guys.
One at a time, I think you don't ball, you know.
Yeah, man, get it. Emotion quick. I want to ask
Watch it active,
you
watch it active.
No, I mean something.
What?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Me just get, it's just sad.
Yes.
It's not nice, dude. You know, it's not nice.
I know. Next parties where people can see you hosting.
This Saturday I will be at in Cried Night, my friend, PAD party. You hear me?
Details are on your
Champagne
Instagram. And
when
details
is
are
Champagne?
No, that's Dancer's birthday, Earth Strong, Saturday 21st.
and the details are on your Instagram
Yes,
page,
and,
right? So
I'll be doing that event Saturday.
yes.
And next Saturday I will be in Bristol
Lord.
at
Man, I travel.
me and Lady Gangster.
Them,
Yes.
them say when the cats away, the rat really come out to play.
At,
At 200
I'm
there.
tell you.
Me ask. That's why booking pick up.
Listen up. Listen up.
Bumbo clap for you, man.
Hold on. Bristol with Queenie.
Danny,
Yo,
the man who said to Angela there at the gate, whoa! That's what you're going to say.
Yeah, man.
Me ask.
Bristol with Queenie. Moving on.
Listen up.
Bristol with
Hospital
Queenie.
is not
Yeah.
close to us.
And the 20th Texas Red Money Party,
Yes.
Girls Time, big up Texas Red Money in Bristol. And also big next event again, me and Gangster again.
Yes.
So big up Gangster
Hold
again.
it. The talk about for them. Danny, remember say the five hour.
They need to
Hold it
go
down.
onto your Instagram
Yes.
page,
And
which is, tell us the Instagram page.
Danny Best and Chance Last TV.
Right. So that's where everybody should forward over and follow you.
And remember, look out for Bucket Joe show. I mean,
Yes.
remember this Bucket Joe show coming up soon
Yes,
as well.
at the 11th of February.
Look out for Nitty Kochi,
Yes.
Lexus, and Harry Toddler. big
Yes.
up Tipsy Thursday.
Tipsy Thursday
And you're
family for
booked
that.
for that.
You hear me?
Yes.
That's your book and your bookings.
Right, ladies and gentlemen, Danny Bless, the entrance boss, was here with us this evening.
24
Thank you
hours a
ever so
day.
much, Danny. We appreciate you sharing with us this evening. We've learned a lot, and you know,
Someone asked me 24 hours a day, sir.
hold on, now, bro.
Oh.
Bro. Yes, remember, sir.
Hey, girl. It's
Yeah,
all
Yeah,
about
right.
Professional.
Right. So give thanks, and we wish you all.
all about you. Oh, sorry, my
We
bad.
wish you all the very best for the rest of 2023. It's just begun. I mean, a whole heap of things are gonna happen. Challenges are gonna forward, you know.
Yeah.
But it's how you deal with them. Yeah. Keep your. I mean, I won't get no why.
And
Keep it chin up.
No.
Keep it chin up. Yeah, keep it chin up. Yeah. And all the very best. Right. So, Dragon All Star, we're going to close the show with 24 hours. a
Oh
day.
my gosh, I love
Freestyle.
singing my song, you know.
So, just a 30 seconds because we're well over time. Get the people
Why
there.
not just take
Daddy cost you money. I call the
Eh?
gatekeeper them on reimbursement. With the
Jesus Christ.
Give it a freestyle there.
24 hours a day?
Yes.
Yeah, Saturday with you know. Anyway.
Freestyle.
You want 24 hours a day?
Hey, you know what should want?
Which one?
The Bam Bam rhythm. I always want to try it, you know. Whenever this is history.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Up and Live show. This
No,
is
we're
what
gonna
we
get it
do every
professionally.
Tuesday.
All right. You want
Between-
Bam Bam rhythm?
I've never
9 and
tried
11.
it on the Bam Bam rhythm, but
Alright.
I think
Yeah?
I would love to try it. You know?
You ready?
Bam,
You ready?
Shut it down. Wait.
bam.
24 hours in the day, yeah. Me now waste time. Say me now delay. You think of that now? Listen now. It's 24 hours a day. I've got to go to work because I've got to get pay. No time to waste. Time is money. It's 24 hours a day. It's 24 hours in the day, yeah. Me now waste time. Say me now delay. You coulda legal, or you coulda overstay, yeah. Still 24 hours in the day. Up on live, listen now, entrance. In your man, time no wait for no man. You have to have a aim and you have to have a plan. Me name Danny Bless and me have ambition. Me want build me house cause me don't have me land.
All right.
No take no handout. Me go you as a soldier, me no go you as a scout. So no bad mind nobody, no take that the route. So me also east, west,
Ladies,
north,
come
and
on.
south. Entrance. It's 24 hours a day.
Watch out.
I've got to go to work because I've got to get paid.
I'm
Paid.
say-
No time to waste. Time is money. It's 24
All ladies,
hours
come
a
on.
day. It's 24 hours
Watch him mix
in
now.
the day. Yeah, yeah. It's 24
Daddy, me can't mix
hours.
it up now. Little, me can't mix it up now. Watch out. All right. A pussy check.
Hygiene check. I check out the thing that. Me say a pussy check. A pussy check. A pussy check. Listen now. Mix me now. Enjoy. In here, man. Pussy fi check. Hygiene check. Check your pussy cause your pussy you fi check a pussy check, gal. Hygiene check, gal. I check your pussy cleaner than the very best a pussy check. Hygiene check, gal. I check your pussy cause your pussy you fi check a pussy check. Hygiene check.
Danny Bless, the entrance boss, was here, ladies and gentlemen. It is now
Yo.
20 minutes to the hour of 12 o'clock. We've been here for a really long time. Give thanks to the TGM Radio UK family. Thank you for joining us again. This is what we do every Tuesday between 9 and 11. We are sponsored by the Granaries, and we will see you next week with a special guest,
Yeah.
Dragon All Star.
Keyword 9/11, Danny Bless. But,
People,
yeah.
love a brother, love a sister, let love rule in everything you do. I want to read a book, members say. Them say brain power is a mean power. People, hold on, before me go away. The gang of fire, I don't know if I sell membership pass or me feel like say me should have in that something there. I don't know what I go on. Powerful. Bad. Are you the recruit? Blood clot. All right, people, next week, look how more you are, sir.